Building a website used to mean learning code, not anymore. Now, you can turn text prompt into a full website in minutes. Tools like Framer AI and Durable let you describe what you want, and they build the layout, design, and content automatically. You don't drag blocks, you don't write code, you just explain the idea. For example, you can type something like a modern website for a freelance designer with a portfolio, about section, and contact form. And the AI generates a complete site, structure, text, and visuals included. These tools work by combining design templates with AI-generated content. The AI understands layout, spacing, and basic UX patterns, then fills everything in for you. So what are these tools actually good for? Landing pages, personal websites, portfolios, quick business sites. They're not meant to replace custom development. They're meant to get you online fast. The real value isn't perfection, it's speed. Instead of starting from a blank page, you start with something usable and tweak from there. This is where web creation is heading. Less manual work, more intent-based design. You describe the idea. The AI builds the foundation.